Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates, and give me your valuable opinion. In this video, we are going to check out the best 5 flat irons. Okay, let's see the features to find the best ones. Best of 5. Sawboy Ceramic Flat Iron. High quality guarantee, 3D floating plates, 360 degrees swivel cord. The size is 10.5 inch, 1.4 inch, 1.2 inch and 1 inch ceramic plates fit. Dual voltage compatible 110 to 220V, and it will change the voltage automatically. High quality ceramic, can release negative ions. Adjustable temperature up to 140 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Furidan Professional Flat Iron. The HSI Smooth Glider Flat Iron is packed with the most advanced technology that seal in the moisture of your hair and give you shiny, smoother results that last longer. With the adjustable, high heat settings, protecting your precious hair from prolonged heat exposure. The floating plates with curved edges continuously adjust the angle to avoid snagging your hair, to give you more control while styling. Best of 3. Babyliss Pro Straightening Iron. Nano titanium, ceramic plates. Fast heat up to 440 degrees Fahrenheit. Get close to scalp. 6 inches length, excellent for travel and purse. Dual voltage, for worldwide use. Best of 2. Kiposi Titanium Flat Iron. 1.75 inch special floating plate hair, flat iron. Titanium made hair straightener iron provide even distribution of heat. Adjustable temperature, up to 170 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Durable handle keep away from the heat, and ergonomically suit your hand. 8-foot heavy-duty swivel power cord, no tangle. Best of 1. HSI Iron Hair Straightener. The Glider Flat Iron has tourmaline-infused ceramic plates that use 8 microsensors. Heat balance technology to evenly distribute heat by regulating the temperature. The iron heats up quickly, and the temperature can be adjusted between 140 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The tourmaline infusion reduces frizz by generating negative ions, and the ceramic is built for durability and lasting results. With a satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty to match. Check the description for best price and details. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. Please, give me your precious opinion clicking by like, share, and comments.